Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health, your trusted source for natural solutions to live stronger and healthier as you age. Today, I'm excited to share a remarkable discovery: a tiny seed that packs more protein than an egg. Yes, it sounds unbelievable, but it's true, and it's even more powerful than you might think. These seeds don't just fuel your muscles with protein, they also combat one of the silent threats of aging: sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. After age 60, your body quietly begins to lose muscle mass. You might not notice it at first, but one day you may find yourself struggling to stand up from a chair, feeling your legs tremble on stairs, or finding it hard to open a jar. These moments remind us how vital muscle strength is for independence and dignity. But don't worry, today I'm revealing 5 super seeds that act as natural, affordable weapons to maintain muscle mass, boost strength, and keep you moving freely. These aren't costly supplements or complex formulas, just gifts from nature you can easily add to your meals to nourish every muscle fiber, strengthen every step, and wake up each morning feeling ready to embrace life. I'll give you a clear, detailed roadmap to transform your body into a strong, resilient home, brick by brick, through simple dietary changes. Let's get started. First, we have hemp seeds, the complete protein powerhouse. Let's start with hemp seeds, a true king of plant-based nutrition. These tiny seeds, no bigger than a fingertip, deliver muscle-building power that rivals or even surpasses eggs. Just 3 tablespoons, about 30 grams, provide nearly 10 grams of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build, maintain, and repair muscles. For older adults, this is critical to combat sarcopenia, the muscle loss that makes everyday tasks like walking or climbing stairs harder. Hemp seeds go beyond protein. They're packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in an ideal 3.1 ratio, reducing inflammation in muscles and joints, supporting heart health, and improving blood flow to nourish every muscle fiber. Omega-3s also enhances neuromuscular signaling, keeping your legs responsive and reducing fall risk. Plus, hemp seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that promotes muscle relaxation, preventing cramps and spasms, especially at night. They also provide iron and zinc, which boost red blood cell production, delivering oxygen to muscles for better endurance during activities like gardening or walking. What makes hemp seeds ideal is their digestibility. Unlike some beans or seeds, they're low in phytates, compounds that can block nutrient absorption, making them gentle on aging digestive systems. Their mild, nutty flavor blends seamlessly into meals. Try sprinkling 2 to 3 tablespoons on your morning oatmeal or Greek yogurt, adding a spoonful to a lunch salad with olive oil, or blending them into a smoothie with banana, almond milk, and a touch of cacao for a protein-packed treat. Hemp seeds are your silent ally, empowering you to walk confidently and preserve your freedom with every step. Next, let's explore sacha inchi seeds, often called the Inca peanut or Inca gold. Used by ancient Peruvian warriors for strength, these seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Just 28 grams provide 8 to 9 grams of high-quality, complete protein, comparable to a large egg, making them a vital tool against sarcopenia. Their protein supports muscle maintenance, helping you stay steady and strong. Sacha inchi seeds are also one of the richest plant sources of omega-3s, surpassing many other seeds. These fatty acids reduce joint inflammation, nourish muscle and nerve cell membranes, and enhance neuromuscular signaling, ensuring steadier steps and quicker reflexes. This is especially helpful for reducing joint pain or muscle spasms in cold weather. Rich in vitamin E, sacha inchi seeds fight oxidative damage that weakens muscles with age, while improving blood flow to keep your legs energized. They also contain magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, which supports serotonin production for better mood and sleep, aiding muscle recovery overnight. Their light, nutty flavor makes them versatile, Add them to oatmeal with banana for a protein-rich breakfast. Sprinkle on a vegetable salad with quinoa at lunch, or enjoy a handful of dry roasted sacha inchi seeds as a snack instead of processed foods. Easy to digest and rarely allergenic, these seeds are perfect for seniors with sensitive stomachs. Sacha inchi seeds are a natural gift, nourishing your muscles and spirit to keep you moving with confidence. Now, let's talk about moringa powder, derived from the miracle tree, or tree of life. This green superfood is a nutritional dynamo, with 100 grams delivering about 27 grams of complete protein, far surpassing many plant foods. This protein, rich in essential amino acids, is crucial for rebuilding muscles in your 60s and beyond, when sarcopenia threatens mobility. Moringa is also packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus calcium and iron. Vitamin A supports vision and immunity, vitamin C aids collagen production for muscles and tendons, and vitamin K strengthens bones. Iron boosts red blood cells, reducing fatigue during daily tasks. Moringa's antioxidants, like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, combat inflammation, easing muscle and joint pain, and protect against oxidative damage that slows recovery. Moringa powder is convenient and digestible, no cooking required. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to a smoothie, oatmeal, soup, or salad. For better absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin K, pair it with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. Try a smoothie with banana, almond milk, moringa, and a touch of flaxseed oil for a muscle recovery powerhouse. Start with half a teaspoon daily to adjust, then increase to 1 to 2 teaspoons, choosing organic, pure moringa for quality. Moringa isn't just food, it's a commitment to keeping your legs strong and your life vibrant. At number 4, we have firm tofu, the gentle protein for muscles and bones. Firm tofu is an often overlooked gem for older adults. Every 100 grams provides about 8 grams of complete protein, delivering all essential amino acids to fight sarcopenia. Easier to digest than meat, tofu is gentle on aging stomachs while supporting muscle repair. It's also a superb source of calcium, especially when made with calcium sulfate, strengthening bones to reduce osteoporosis risk. Iron in tofu supports oxygen delivery to muscles, keeping you energized. Tofu's soy isoflavones act like mild plant-based estrogens, reducing inflammation, supporting heart health, and easing menopausal symptoms in women without disrupting hormones in men. Its versatility shines in meals. Roast slices with sea salt, pepper, and garlic powder for a crispy salad topping. Stir-fry cubes with broccoli and shiitake mushrooms. Or enjoy cold tofu with sesame seeds and soy sauce as a snack. Low in cholesterol and with a low glycemic index, tofu is ideal for heart health and blood sugar control. This gentle powerhouse nourishes muscles, protects bones, and supports your heart, helping you stay stable and strong. And finally, quinoa, the super grain for strength and endurance. Let's celebrate quinoa, the mother of all grains, from the Incas. Technically a pseudo-grain, 1 cup or 185 grams of cooked quinoa delivers about 8 grams of complete protein, rich in lysine for muscle growth and repair. Its magnesium, potassium, and calcium support smooth muscle contractions, prevent cramps, and enhance neuromuscular signaling for steady steps. Soluble fiber aids digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, while iron boosts oxygen delivery to reduce fatigue. Quinoa's B6, folate, and zinc nourish nerves and immunity, supporting muscle regeneration. Rinse quinoa to remove its bitter saponin coating, then cook with a 2.1 water to quinoa ratio for 15 minutes. Use it in breakfast bowls with almond milk and hemp seeds. Replace rice at lunch with salmon or tofu, or make a cold salad with spinach and olive oil. Quinoa is a small but mighty investment in your muscle, bone, and nerve health, helping you walk with confidence. Here is your daily roadmap to strength. Aging doesn't mean losing strength is inevitable. Here's a simple daily plan to incorporate these seeds. Breakfast: oatmeal with 2 TBSP hemp seeds, 1 TSP moringa powder and banana, or quinoa cooked in almond milk with sacha inchi seeds. Lunch, quinoa or tofu stir-fry with greens and olive oil, or a salad with hemp and sacha inchi seeds. Snack, roasted sacha inchi seeds, or cold tofu with sesame and soy sauce. Dinner, tofu with vegetables, or a quinoa salad with moringa and avocado. Start small, like adding 1 seed to a meal, and gradually increase. Your body is ready to regenerate. It just needs the right fuel. If you found this helpful, like and share this video, comment which seed you'll try first, and subscribe to Gentle Health for daily tips to live stronger. I'm Dr. Steven, and I'm here to help you reclaim your strength, step by step. Let's keep moving forward together.